Check out this 2008 Mercury Mariner Hybrid. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include speed proportional power steering, rear defogger, tilt steering wheel, front seat type, bucket, external temperature display, intermittent window wipers, and power windows with one touch. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.